Hello, Unity of Central Oregon. I'm so excited to be with you on June 25th for Sunday services. The inspiration for my talk is the voice as a spiritual ally and tool for our growth and activation. Rumi says, "I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think." So that's a bit of my philosophy to get into that wild nature of ourselves. It's my opinion that music, and the voice in particular, is the most powerful alchemical tool we have for our spiritual growth as human beings. If you can walk, you can dance. If you can talk, you can sing, African proverb. One fun technique that I'd love to share with you is what I call the owl howl. Everyone knows the sound an owl makes, whoo, whoo. And if you take that sound and expand it, I like to play with what I call the flute. So we'll explore this and more, and I want to invite you to join us on June 30th at Unity for a full concert and a deeper immersion into the musical experience. Bless your hearts. I'll see you soon. Mwah.